Looking for the best granite cleaners? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 granite cleaners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Weiman, Granite and Stone Daily Cleaner. As it cleans, this product enhances the natural patterns in the stone. With regular use, the countertop will resist stains and soils. Safe to use with quartz, marble, granite, travertine, limestone, and slate. Avoids streaks as it cleans and doesn't use harsh ingredients. Struggles with tough stains. Some quality control issues with bottles leaking. At number 2. Granite Gold, Daily Cleaner Spray. Great for cleaning and protecting many stone surfaces including granite, marble, travertine, quartz, ceramic, and tile. Includes a 24-ounce spray bottle and 64-ounce refill bottle. Non-toxic and safe for food surfaces. Provides a streak and smudge-free result. A solid value pack of streak-free, effective cleaning power. Citrus scent is not for everyone. At number 1. Therapy, Granite Cleaner, and Polish Kit. Dissolves most grease and oils successfully and quickly using only safe materials. Eliminates streaks while cleaning and polishing the countertop to create a beautiful finish. Safe for use on surfaces like granite, marble, quartz, and onyx. Earns high marks because it cleans many different kinds of stone surfaces and doesn't contain toxic ingredients. A little expensive per ounce, but it does ship with a microfiber towel. Not made for floors. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.